Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Manuel and today we will talk about how to switch your Google Ads account to expert mode even if it doesn't allow you when you've even enabled it. So it's a little bit of a headache even for me, but all my accounts normally are already in expert mode, so it's very rare that I still have an account in smart mode. This happens, for example, if I have a new client, and I want to talk to you about a recent issue that I have with an account that has smart mode enabled. So in this account I've already toggled to expert mode, so normally you will see here a button that says toggle to expert mode. Once you've done that, you will be in an expert mode dashboard. However, if you close it down and you don't create a new campaign and you log back in, you will see this again. So it says you still need to create a smart campaign. So what you do is go and click on new campaign, and then what you want to do is switch to expert mode. Then if you have multiple accounts linked, simply select your account and then you can begin creating your campaign. So this is still technically a kind of smart mode version, but once you've done all of that, so I'm gonna just cancel out, you will notice that you end up here again. Even with the new campaign that you've created, you will not see it, and that is really annoying. So what you need to do is go to campaign filters and click on the campaign type that you've created. In my case, it's a PMAX campaign. So I click on this and now I'm in expert mode. It's really annoying, isn't it? So now you can see the campaign that I've created, even though it's still in a kind of a hybrid. But if you go and click on campaigns, now you see the correct overview. So this is what we expect to see. And I'm going to, just for the sake of it, log in again to show you if it is going to happen again or not. So I've logged in again, and now I do see a campaign, but this is not the one I've created. So it is showing me the smart overview again. Really annoying. So what I have to do for this case constantly, I have to go and click on Performance Max and then campaigns, and now I have the normal overview. Again, really annoying. I hope that this is just a delay because of how maybe the database is updated. I don't know. Hopefully this will be updated soon, but this is an issue, of course, that a lot of merchants have. They switch to expert mode and then still get smart mode presented. Another bug for Google to fix, of course. So if you have any questions or difficulties, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.